Greetings, investors. Welcome back to Invest Intellectual Insights. Today, we're checking out Q1 2024 earnings release from semiconductor powerhouse Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, commonly known as TSMC, with ticker symbol TSM. Let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. Before we start, for those who don't know about Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC is not just a player, it's a titan in the semiconductor industry as the number one fab in the world. TSMC manufactures the most advanced semiconductors, setting the benchmark for innovation and quality in manufacturing these chips. With notable clients such as Apple and Nvidia relying on TSMC for their chip manufacturing needs, it's evident that TSMC is one of the most important companies in the world. Taiwan Semiconductor has a market capitalization of a staggering $600 billion, dollars, currently with a PE ratio of 22.7 and a forward PE of 19.2, which presents an interesting investing opportunity depending on how you will value this company. Now let's dive into the earnings call and take a look at the press release. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing announced that year-over-year first quarter revenue increased by an impressive 16.5%, showcasing the company's continued growth trajectory. Additionally, net income and EPS both saw a substantial increase of 8.9% compared to the same period last year, reflecting TSMC's financial performance. However, when compared to the previous quarter, Q4 2023, both revenue and net income experienced a slight decline. TSMC attributed this decline primarily to the impact of smartphone seasonality, although this was partially offset by high performance computing (HPC) related demand. Looking forward, TSMC expressed optimism about its 2024 future prospects. The company anticipates that strong demand for its industry-leading 3 nanometer and 5 nanometer technologies will drive growth and help mitigate the effects of ongoing smartphone seasonality. Now let's delve deeper into the earnings call transcript for additional insights. While TSMC offered promising guidance for Q2 2024, they provided a nuanced outlook for the semiconductor market as a whole. During the call, TSMC mentioned that they were adjusting their forecast for the semiconductor market in 2024. They anticipate a year-over-year increase of approximately 10%, which is slightly lower than initially projected. This adjustment is attributed to factors such as market conditions and overall industry coming off a steep inventory correction and a low base of 2023. However, despite this adjustment, TSMC remains optimistic about its own prospects. The foundry industry growth is forecasted to be in the mid to high teens, signaling strong performance ahead. TSMC is well positioned to capitalize on the momentum and leveraging its technologies and product leadership. Furthermore, TSMC highlighted the robust demand for AI related application, highlighting its role as a key enabler of AI technologies. As the demand for more powerful semiconductor hardware continues to surge, TSMC stands out for providing the most advanced process and packaging technology. In summary, while TSMC acknowledges the challenges and adjustments in the semiconductor market forecast, they maintain a positive outlook for their own growth trajectory, with their focus on innovation and meeting the demand of emerging technologies like AI. TSMC is poised for a continued success in the intellectual and connected world.